In this photo I will introduce three best mobile photo editing apps. So first of all, you go to the your and play store and search Lightroom. I have already Lightroom. You can see there is a Lightroom. I have already installed it. If you don't install, go to the Play Store and install it. So I have already installed, so open it. And first of all, select a photo from here. There is a profile. First of all, you can see there is some default effect you can select, and if you like this effect, you can, if you apply on your photo, so you can see how look like it. Now there is a another so many tools. There is a light. Now you can see this is exposure. You can exposure increase or decrease, contrast also, highlight and shadow and white and blacks. Now you can go to the color and you can select a color and you can decrease or increase on that color. So this is easy. I will show how to edit in Adobe Lightroom. This is just introducing, and I will show how to edit a photo in Adobe Lightroom. You can see there is a texture, clarity, vicinity. So you can see these three main tools in the main tools in Adobe Lightroom. First of all, light, second is color, and third is a effects. So this is the three main tools in Adobe Lightroom. I will show how to edit this. I'll show how to edit photo by these three tools. So you can see there is some preset I have already installed. If you have a install your preset in Adobe Lightroom, you can easily can take a effect from your preset. So I hope you understand about Adobe Lightroom. Now go to the another application and go to the Play Store and search there PicsArt. You can see there is a PicsArt. Now I have already installed, so I am going to open it. PicsArt, and you can see there is so many option. You can your profile. First of all, click on this plus sign and select your photo, and I have selected this photo. And you can see there is some tools you can work on it. There is some default effect like Lightroom. You can select your effect. So you can see there is a beauty mode. You can also change. There is some option you have to default. Click on OK, and you can see there is a sticker you can give on your photo. So this is very basic tutorial. I'll show how to edit a PicsArt also, and you can add any photo from your gallery. Add this photo and you can select and drag and drop on it. So discard for this time, and you can see there is a cutout text, add photo, fit, border. I will introduce all these tools and subscribe my channel. I will show how to edit a photo like a pro in PicsArt mobile application. So now we go to the our next mobile application for photo editing. Now again go to the Play Store and search Snapseed. Snapseed. So I have already downloaded Snapseed. If you don't have, go to the Play Store and download. So open it and I take a picture from my gallery. Now you can see there is also some default effect. Now I take this effect, and there is you can some tools, and there is a tone, brightness. Click on this. You can see brightness decrease in case. You can contrast decrease in case. You can also change your saturation, and you can also ambience can change, and you can also highlight can be changed. So click on this, and you can see there is a so many tools. You can curve your photo. You can see how look like it. Click on this OK for this time, and you can set white balance. You can also balance white on your photo. Now you can see there is a double exposure, and you can add another photo. You can add another photo from your gallery, and you can see opacity decrease or increase. I will show all the effect in Snapseed on my Snapseed tutorial series, so stay tuned with me, and I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. So this is very basic tutorial. This is actually just 3 basic mobile photo editing application. Actually I will create another so many tutorial in this 3 apps. So thank you so much.